They say some angry Nigeria don't come outside to come talk. Say I wish they go fit jam Tinubu 101 for inside road. No be smart, you know. Some say they go use opudi for in head though. Some other ones say na blow. If you hear what people talk for this video, this one shock me. But however, I go play you the video, may you watch where they ask people if you see Tinubu for road 101. Wetin you go do? Come hear wetin people talk. May you know how people they vex for Bola Ahmed Tinubu Emilio call. Things they happen. My people, watch this video. I go play you right now. And before we come back, come continue.
They waka for if you dey waka for road now, you can't meet Tinubu lonely. You and I just jam. What you go do?
In fact, what I go do? My life ain't go to great up. In fact, I will not say anything, but I know that if you jam him for road 101, in fact, the man will faint.
You go faint. You go beat president.
You go faint automatically.
Road now, you dey waka. You can't see Tinubu for one lonely road. Only you and just jam. What you go do?
I will carry a knock a head for war. I will knock a head for war.
You go knock president head for war.
And I tell you now, the man don't spoil this country. He don't make me now. Only if he chop 3 square meal again.
Wakana, see they ride this your bicycle now. You can't meet Tinubu for lonely road. What you go do?
I will carry him flog and wear. If I wear better, I will flog and belt wear. You don't know.
No joy, bro.
I tell you, if I catch an cane, if I catch an life and na belt, I'll flog him.
How is business? Business. It's not business as usual.
Business too there off these days.
Road now, what you go do?
Tinubu, when I stay for lonely road,
you and I just jam. Nobody there with them.
I go call him say, brother, come. Anything when I feel come, I go call him say, come. This country when he keep like this, they don't eat this morning. He can say me say don't eat. By that time I go grip him. Me and I go die there because me I never eat.
All right, now take.
I don't consider me human being, no. I don't just be human being, be devil.
Okay, your president is
yes, devil.
What do you think we can do to hold them accountable?
What do you do, my brother? This is don't pass Gario.
If they come, say we divide the country, more protests, make military take over.
Yes, we can divide and then to try. We go their own place.
How do you do?
I'm a Biafra man. Call Biafra.
As he was president, Javi.
He say him be the best, but people be talk saying a lie, say na the worst.
Worst, people no lie. People be no lie for that one. And I see road way. Worst president. He's supposed to be there.
You now, you know they enjoy Jagaba.
Me, I know enjoy now. I know from since we enter. I mean, I know enjoy now.
No joy now.
No joy bad. No laugh everywhere. We just don't see that you then throw away outside last. If they see you then chop with me, make those in Nigeria don't collapse.
Nigeria share your experience.
Nigeria don't experience. That's why I explain this. Since we them born me, that's why I express now. Everyone. Wait, since we I know that before my father said suffer when suffer. He no pray making picking suffer. I thank God. If say my father never died now, go tell me come see suffer where they suffer. Say my house don't pass am. Because my father no buy fuel. 700 naira per liter. 1100 naira per liter. My father the buy that and they start saying Nigeria don't spoil. You know no saying they enjoying that time. Now we don't suffer. Suffer.
But you talk say our local.
Our local that before where our high blind. We don't see road though. Nothing again. But no, I see. Let me tell to my brother. Not something where we expect. Now we see. Understand?
What do you say Nigeria do?
Rome was no big delay.
What do you say Nigeria do to hold our government accountable as if they fail us?
That's what I think say go fit do now. Make everybody put into prayer. The only prayer go be save us because our government they don't remember us again. They don't know we they suffer because all those way then they use now free thing. They don't know say we they suffer.
They don't have empathy
at all. They don't have anything. But I don't think say Jagaba need to nothing to offer Nigeria again. Because India man say Nigeria to rule now don't confuse. You don't know when go start again.
Say make revolution happen when military can't take over.
No pray for that country. Who they talk so?
They don't tire.
No pray for that country. See, let me tell you, say, no, that they always talk this thing. Every time say Nigeria need to end. Our Indian don't too much already. Then you go see endure.
You don't went that school, not without very day.
Let me tell you one thing. Give ourselves courage. Because we give them born today, no if you work out today. Because everything I go, only say Nigeria don't work. Nigeria is too.
Don't work for me.
I dey come.
So Nigeria win or Nigeria lose, it's not my concern.
It's not your concern.
The same thing will still happen.
So what do you think we can do as citizens to hold our people accountable?
What we can do to hold our people accountable, we have to kill all our leaders there.
May we kill them.
Kill all of them, flush everybody.
Tinubu will kill them.
Gather and start afresh. Are you getting me? So that Nigeria will be good. All those people who are the thrones,
yes, we kill them.
Are intimidating us. Let's kill them. Slaughter all of them.
How do we go about killing them?
We have to. How we can go about killing them? We have to plan very well.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
If we plan very well, we can fish them one by one. Okay. And kill all of them.
Okay.
And we know them.
Sir, you support killing them too?
Yes. Because they have done it to they are misusing
our resources.
Yes. Look at that, we economy is going down every day. So, like you that yesterday, Nigerian that said they left Nigeria not to be win. Because if they win, is this our evil leader that call Mr. Tinubu?
Yes.
I'm not going to call him Mr. President. But Mr. Tinubu, I don't want him to touch the call.
So now revolution now,
even the final, they're not going to make it.
Okay.
They will try their best, but they are not going to make it.
So you the best now, guy? All right. Chairman, too, you support?
Yes, I support.
No, we'll kill them.
Kill them away. They are not our leaders.
All right.
They need to flush out.
All right, thank you.
They say I'll go yesterday. I'll put it in penalty. Don't know if Nigeria will lose or not.
All right. Thank you, my man. All right, I appreciate it, bro.
Done virtually nothing as far as improving the standard of lives of Nigerians are concerned.
What do you think we as an individual can do to hold them accountable, because they defect from what they promised in the manifesto?
It depends on who you want to hold accountable. Now, Nigeria is a diverse country. One, we have a lot of challenges that is facing us. Part of the challenges is ethnicity, religion. So definitely there is no way we are not united in anything. So there is no way we can hold them, because
what is your suggestion, sir?
Well, I don't have much thing to suggest, rather than Nigeria should be splitted so that people can go their different ways. Then that is the only way you can now be able to know how you will be able to help yourself.
What's your thoughts on revolution, military intervention right now because of the current situation?
Presently, I wouldn't encourage military to intervene, because as a civilian, I believe that civilian rule should be better. Because
is it better now?
It's not better. It's not better because of the people ruling us and because of the way they want to handle us. It's worse now, but I cannot, because of that, say military should come. I won't advocate for military. Rather, they should. I advocate for change of attitude among our leaders. You understand? It's very bad what is happening.
If you had to rate this Tinubu administration, from 1 to 100, what will you do?
I will just give him 0% so far.
Wow.
As far as I'm concerned, I can only rate him 150 and above only in corruption. You understand me? They have not started. They have not started. They are sinking us deeper and deeper. So I can't rate such an administration.
So if you get opportunity now, you go jump.
Of course. Why should I be here? If I have 1 million naira, I'm not even having up to $1,000 US.
Yeah.
You know what that means? So if I have opportunity, I will leave so that I can be able to make money. If I can be able to make $30,000 US and come to Nigeria, I become a big man. So why shouldn't I go to look for such money? Somebody who has just $30,000 US, if you come to Nigeria, you have almost 50 million. What does it mean? That means that I should go there and get that money and come back. If I have opportunity, I will go. There is no doubt.
Well, bro, sorry, na sunshine. We are not talking about how Nigeria will take better, right?
No. I just want to ask you, living in Nigeria now, how Nigeria day for you?
Okay, now my citizen where me are there. I live quietly and I live perfectly, and Nigeria is nice for me and everything is comfortable for me. But the only thing is for them to change the news love paper to become currency, money.
May they change the love paper to
the love where we as a musician, I'm a musician. Okay. Sunshine.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yes.
The love where we use the rule, the streets and everywhere. May them change them come to for us, make him become money, make they get money, make no become only love alone. We go spread love, being in jungle, being in bunk, being everywhere for things to be more better for Nigeria.
As Nigeria youth, share your experience. You know, last year we had a new president. How has it been since?
Okay, now this is good. I believe that yes, things now still going like this. I believe that it will also become perfect. Are you understanding me? So I believe God and I pray for Nigeria because I praise Nigeria of our Africa. Because it's like line is sheep, rich and beauty, old and new, sun and moon and rain and dew. Because any that wake up, I must do waiting, praise him and pray for the giant of Africa.
You they enjoy Jagaba administration?
Now what for you want to enjoy me will be Lagos brought up. I enjoy him matter because him now can never allow us to suffer for what we did not know.
You vote Jagaba on Jagaba?
I want to vote for him. I vote for him 3 times. I vote for him both for phone. I vote for him both for physical hand. I vote for him both my movement of my life.
Okay. So which advice you go tell Jagaba now, make him still do more?
Okay. Advice I go tell him be say make him know the kind of thing we go do for us, for the youth to change, for good living. Because we are now suffering for just ordinary things. If we may go to a foreign land, they give them monthly
allowance.
But we Nigeria boys here now, look my face. No, I'm not a problem child. But now just because of how to chop, now make man to come.
But the same man they try now, you they complain.
They try. I know they chop. Now they tell you now they chop. Now they make me still the cool because I don't carry gun for my hand. But I will carry my toothpick while you they come out some kind of paint on my face. So now be the issue. Thank you, bro.
All right, thank you so much, bro.
My people, you don't find any red though. Shebi, you don't hear am with your own ear. I beg, may you share this video as e dey hot.